Hey everyone, it's your friendly neighborhood John the Plumber here. Today we're talking about sump pumps and replacements. We'll go over what they are, what they do, and when you need to replace yours. So come along and we'll show you what to expect when you book a sump pump replacement service from John the Plumber. Basement flooding is common in Ontario, and there are many reasons why your basement may flood. Some of the main causes are if your home was built on flat ground with poor soil drainage, your home was built below the water table, or you live in an area with a large amount of rainfall or snowfall. You may already have a sump pump in your home and still experience flooding due to the age of your sump pump. Typically, sump pumps should be replaced every 7 to 10 years. If you've experienced flooding in your basement recently with an old sump pump, then it's time for a replacement. What is a sump pump? A sump pump is a handy tool that most homeowners should have installed in their homes. This small mechanized device lives in a lined hole in your home dubbed the sump pit. When the water levels start to get too high in the sump pit, the sump pump automatically turns itself on and expels the excess water back outside your home away from the foundation. When the water levels drop enough, it automatically turns off. Because sump pumps run on power, it may be worth your while to install a battery backup with it. Should a storm or electrical issue knock out power in your home, the battery backup will turn on to ensure the sump pump is working when the water level rises. You can also get a third-party alert system that will alert your phone if your sump pump stops running or if water levels get too high. There are two main types of sump pumps, submersible and pedestal pumps. Submersible pumps sit submerged in the sump pit. The motor and pump are all enclosed in one unit. Pedestal pumps have the motor and pump separate. The motor sits above the sump pit and the hose is running into the sump pit. For this video, you're seeing us install a submersible sump pump. There was a lot of length in the discharge pipe, the black pipe you see here that's running vertically and horizontally, for the sump pump to clear the water, so our plumber installed a quiet check valve. What is a check valve? A check valve will stop any water that the pump has expelled that may have gotten stuck in the discharge pipe. Due to gravity, this water will drain back into the sump pit, bringing the water levels up and causing the sump pump to turn on to try to expel water it's already disposed of. The quiet part to this is that the valve flap is spring-loaded. Instead of the flap opening and closing from drastic changes in flow, the flap fully closes against the fluid flow, making it silent. At John the Plumber, we use Liberty Pumps, a family-owned and operated business. These heavy-duty pumps are built to last. With energy-efficient motor designs, they use less electricity while still providing high output performance. Liberty Pumps backs their products with a 3-year warranty. Top that with our industry-leading 2-year warranty on all of our work, you'll have peace of mind on our work and devices. When you book a sump pump replacement with John the Plumber, one of our skilled and friendly plumbers will come out to your home, assess your property and your devices, and provide you with a detailed and transparent quote for the job needed to be done. If you choose us to do the job, we will waive your quote fee. With your approval, we'll get started on work right away. Our team offers sump pump installation, replacement, and repair services. No matter what sump pump service you may need, John the Plumber has you covered. We arrived at this job to a customer who wanted a new sump pump installed. We got started on removing the old sump pump and installing the new one with a quiet check valve. We also inspected the discharge pipe and found it was freezing, causing further issues with the sump pump discharge. Our plumber gave our client a quote on an in-pipe heat tracing cable that runs in the pipe to keep it from freezing. Once the sump pump was installed, it was time for cleanup. Our team will always clean up after our job, so you have one less thing to worry about. If you've noticed flooding in your basement or are missing a sump pump, don't wait until disaster strikes and leaves you with unexpected costs and insurance hassles. Call or book online for a quote or consultation on Sump Pump Services from John the Plumber today.